Alright, this video is going to be how to start a campfire in Appalachia. Alright, so first off, create a little fire circle here, and right here I always give a little bit of an air tunnel there. Not quite a Dakota fire pit, but just got the little wind tunnel there for air to enter the area. And first, what I have over here is this stuff comes from a sycamore tree. Now, sycamores are very common in some old towns and then just general Appalachia. But it drops this stuff. A lot of people call it paper bark. And this is fantastic for starting a fire. This is what the tree looks like, and this is what the leaves look like. They're very common. And then here, now this isn't some bushcraft start a fire type video. I'm using a lighter, a Bic. Bought at the Dollar General. We'll find some dry sticks, some twigs, etc. You can use some of these other ones that have that are a little bit wetter later, or keep them on the side of the fire and they'll dry out. And brought this with me. This is some just regular firewood that you can just buy from people off the side of the road or split yourself. It should be dry enough to start our fire today. So you got your air channel that kind of comes up here. Now, as you see, I kind of made kind of a triangle here. I have my paper bark down here. I guess this is really just showcasing the potential of this type of bark here to start a fire, and then we have our dry twigs and everything underneath here, and then our already dried wood is up here. So yeah, I guess it's really just to showcase the paper bark. So here we go. See how it's pretty much already caught. And of course, heat rises. It will continue to go up the bark here. And in theory, it should start putting these, start igniting the sticks. Look at that. It's already almost a full campfire. The intent of the fire today is going to be to use this Dutch oven tripod here. Now what I'm going to do is I designed it to put over our fire so we can cook our chicken later. And I mean, you never go wrong. Just keep adding the bark up underneath. Like I said, it gives it a nice little boost, and you can see the sticks are already igniting. And if you blow through this little air channel, woohoo! Oh yeah, look at that.